So now I'm gonna perform a brake fluid flush here. I'm just going to remove all the black rubber caps so that I want to see if I'm able to open the bleeders first before I perform the service. I cracked it open off camera, so there we go. Just want to make sure all the bleeders open first before I perform the service. That one was the right rear. Now we're on the left rear now. This is just gonna be a very quick video here. I've already posted a few videos of brake fluid flush service on different vehicles already. So the procedure remains the same. So just making sure all the bleeders open before I start doing anything. I'm gonna remove the rubber cap here. Being careful to not stab myself with the screwdriver. And I'm going to do the other side, the left front. This one is the right front. So now, I'm going to do the left front here. Make sure that opens up. This one is a little ripped open or split open. I see a mark here. I think. Oh no, I'm wrong. It's not ripped. The bleeder cap is fine. Okay, so I'm gonna try to open this up. Now it's open. So now I'm gonna proceed to do the bleeding. Now on the majority of vehicles, there's a rule of thumb. I'm just doing a flush, so it's not that big of a deal. But usually I start furthest from the master cylinder. So I'm gonna do the right rear, then the left rear, then the right front, and then the left front. So I'm using the Minivac vacuum bleeder. So after I'm done using that, I'm just going to do a gravity bleed just to make sure there's no air in the system, because I've had issues. So the air compressor just turned on. I walked away from it. I'm saying that I've had issues with having a low brake pedal, so using this machine. So I typically like to do a gravity bleed after, and then I usually don't have any problems after that. So I'm using the MIDI vac here, the same machine that I've been using for a long time now. So I'm going to turn it on, and then I'm going to do the flush, and we are going to work away to each wheel. I'm going to turn the machine on now. Just make sure that as you're doing this, make sure you are topping up the master cylinder. Now on this Ford vehicle, it calls for a .4 brake fluid. So make sure you're using a .4. Here's the cap. It says to use .4. Don't use anything else. So make sure you're topping up the master cylinder. I used to work at the GM dealership years ago, so I still had this sealed container of .4 AC Delco, so I'm just using that. It's fully compatible with all vehicles, so it won't harm anything. And I got some extra fluid here. Johnson's .3 and 4. This is .4 fluid. They just call it .3 and 4 because you can use it in both systems. So make sure you're topping up. And I forgot to mention that you should suck out most of the old fluid out first before you start. So make sure that you do that. So once you're done, close it up. And do the left rear now. You're going to close this one up. We are at the right front now. Now I'm just going to close this up. Make sure you're topping up the brake fluid. I've been topping up the brake fluid each time. And now I'm just going to open up this one. Just going to open this up because it's a little full and it's not working anymore. I'm going to empty out the old brake fluid. This is the old fluid. So now I've attached some brake bleeder bottles to catch the fluid. Now I'm just doing the gravity bleed. So I opened up all the bleeders now. So all the bleeders are open now. So I'm just going to do the gravity bleed. So now you just continue doing the gravity bleed and keep on topping up the master cylinder. Make sure it does not run low or dry. And then after that, just close all the bleeders up and then you're all good to go. Just make sure you pump the brake pedal, and then if you have a firm brake pedal, and then everything is all good. If the brake pedal feels low or spongy, then you would probably need to do the gravity bleed again. So once you're done, just give this a quick wash with the brake cleaner and just wipe everything down. You should wipe down the master cylinder before and after service.